Proslat Slatwall panels are our original panel. Panels are designed to hold 75 pounds per square foot and work with 16-inch stud centers. If you have wider studs, we have other panels for that. And what's key to this panel is that we put our screw cavity hidden above our hook cavity. What that means is two things. Number one, we're putting a screw right where you're going to put a hook, so it adds strength. Number two, we're able to hide that screw to give us a really clean finish, but also allow us sometimes, maybe we thought the stud was there, you miss it, you put another screw in, well, you don't see the hole from the previous one. It doesn't change the integrity of the product. Product's available in multiple colors. Sizes, it comes in a 4x4 or in a 4x8. Now what we mean by that is you get 10 pieces in a box with your trim. So the 10 pieces will add up to be 4 feet, either 4 feet long or 8 feet long. Panels are made from 90% recycled material. Now a lot of questions we get from customers sometimes is, why is this box got a gray backing and this box has a brown backing? Because that's the recycled content. But what we do is we go in and put it co-extruded. So we add a layer on top while we're extruding this panel of the color and the finish we want it to be. This one's gray, this one's white. It just, what it does is ensures that same finish throughout the panels.